Hello everyone, this is Fayaz. I'm the director of thelastmonk.com. Actually, we started our business in 2011 under the brand name Atma Hill Research and Development. It's a private limited company, and we have been doing business for the last 10 years. And we are, as you know, we are selling the crystal products, bracelets, malas, puja items, spiritual products, and all, which has a great demand in India. So when the people come to know that we are providing the best authentic crystals and natural crystals, people tend to buy. And we know that we have only closed like very few percentage of the Indian market share, and we at this point we have a plan to expand our business to next another level to have a more market share. So we thought of like bringing our company with a higher investment amount. So then by then we came with this plan, crowd share. I'll explain you how the crowd share works. The crowd share is actually same as crowdfunding. So for that we have nominated 49% of our company share to the public, and our target is to achieve 1000 number of shares, and each share will be sold at 10,000 rupees. So comprising the 1000 shares, our share capital would be 1 crore, and with that 1 crore we will be doing the business, and I'll tell you how the shareholders are getting the benefits. So we will make the dividend once in every year. We will make the dividend. Then dividend comes in this way, and the 49% of the company's profit will be divided among all the shareholders. For example, like if 10 crore is our company's profit, 4.9 crore will be divided among all the shareholders. So in a way, one share will be getting 49,000 rupees. And but it's pure based on business. If it is profit is high, you will be getting higher profit. If it is profit is less, you will be getting lesser profit. But the profit is for sure, because it's a growing business. It's already a running business and the market is growing, so we don't have to worry about that. And the most important point in this concept is that, like in whichever business you invest, they don't provide you any document or any such proof that they are using the money in the right way. But here we will provide you an auditing report every month, so that the investor will know like how this amount are being used, what are the expenses in the company, what are the income in the company. So we will publish this auditing report in our group where all the shareholders are available. And as you know, like making up 1000 number of shares is a great task. So we divided that into three different phases. That is first phase, second phase, and third phase. The first phase actually comprises of 300 shareholders, and second phase is 200, and third phase is 500. So our first task is to like achieve 300 number of shareholders, and then to start accepting the money. And we don't accept the money at now. We'll start to accept the money only after attaining that phase. So coming back to the point. So we had already closed 320 confirmed shares by now, and now we have started to accept the payment. So this will be 100% transparent. So you can just come to us anytime and just check our bank balance and the company auditing report things, and also you will be more sure that the company is running in the right way. We are using the amount in the right way. So you will be more trustworthy through us. So bringing transparency to the business is the main important thing that we are bringing ahead. And on payment of this amount, you will be getting a receipt of your email, and we will be providing a share certificate, which can be considered as an agreement or like a proof that you have paid this much amount to us. And one another important thing is that the amount which you paid is 100% refundable. At like give us a 3 days of notice period, we will refund you the amount which you paid at any point whenever you ask for. And another important point is that now the main thing, as I told, bringing transparency to the business, and we'll be more concentrated on that. So the people who have already invested, we have created another group for them, and they'll join that group. So further improvement on the company's policy things and all that, we'll be publishing there the amount which you invested. Like after achieving 300 shares, we'll be having a share capital of 30 lakhs. So how these 30 lakhs are being used, such details will be given in separate group, like where all the investors had invested the money. So the people who made their investment will be moved to a separate group, and we will publish the data, like we will be doing this and this stuff this month, and this would be our inventory we are going to keep, and this would be the marketing things we are going to do. And after achieving the first phase, our targeted sales is around like 28 to 32 lakhs in a month. By then you can just assume how much profit we are going to consume throughout the year. So this will be a great opportunity for you all. So the people who haven't invested and who are interested and who haven't invested yet, please just go through the link given in this video, and just don't go with some other people. Like there may be many people who will say that we are from Last Monk and we want to make the investment, but make sure the link is the same as shown in the video. And also the bank, you can just transfer through our bank account, and the bank account details are given same. You can see under my video, the bank account details are also given. So just don't waste your time. We have a limited time. We need to close the first phase very soon. So just let's make your investment and make it a bigger team. And another thing which I want to tell you is that when we make a bigger team, we are making a community of like 1,000 people. So the main important thing that in it, like we have 1,000 number of investors with us then. So any one of you are having a concept and you want to build a business, so you give that proposal to us. We'll study that, we'll make it into a good decent proposal, and we'll publish that in the group. So if the people in the groups are ready with that business, if one person like invest 1,000 rupees, we can make a capital of 10 lakhs and you can easily start the business. And this will be a great opportunity for you everyone in the group to have a bigger to have an extended life. This can be a good turning change in your life, not only because of our business. You will be getting more opportunities to run your business and all. So I hope I had covered all the details now. So you can just join our business, join the group. Already the people who are already joined the group and wish to buy the sales, you can just go through the link and just make your payment and just get into our business. So thank you so much for joining. Thank you so much.